All right, we have been going through our lotus blossom exercise, which we are illustrating by building out a community product in Kajabi. So community was our center idea. We then went around and added business, legal, product specific, offer, automations, communications, and topics. So now we're going to take this information, we're going to take our checklists, and if you've skipped the videos before this one, please stop this one, go back to the first video and watch them in order. They will not make sense out of order, and I would hate to see you struggling to keep up with this when it's really super simple. You just don't want to skip ahead. So now we're going to go into Kajabi and we're going to show you how you would put this together inside Kajabi. All right, so here we are on my test site, and we're going to go through like we normally would. Now, the steps that I am not going to go into detail on are the legal pieces. You need to have contract terms, you need to have or purchase terms, terms on your site, a privacy policy. Those need to be on your offer pages. I'm not going to go through them on this video, but I will provide links to other videos that have that information. So know that I always do those pieces first because we end up overlooking them, and we need to make sure we need them to hook up as we go through. So with that, let's start with the product tab. So community, again, is a product. It's inside Kajabi, and it will show up in your library exactly like any other product you make. So let's click on new product. Yep, I know, community's here. New product. And you can give your product a name. So here's community right at the top. You're going to click on this. When this opens up, it will say generate a product. So again, this is where, if you are not a checklist person, just write down everything you do and you will come up with your checklist. That is all that I do when I'm making a checklist is I go, okay, I want to build a product. All right, what are the steps that go into that? Right here, you'll see building a product. Here, we're going to move down to this one. From the dashboard, click on products, click on all products, click a new product. Click generate the product. So all we're doing is clicking through the items so that when you have to get up and go to a meeting, your kid spills milk all over the kitchen table, whatever the case may be, you just go to bed for the night, you know exactly where you are. This is how all these pieces fit together. So let's hop back in to Kajabi right here. We're going to generate the product. So I'm going to name this, because I think it should be with a K, community testing. Click save. This will generate the product. Again, different functionality than the other products, but beautifully designed as a product so we can add it into our library. So here, now you can click on edit the details. So when you click this, you can type in a description. I'm just going to put test details like that. On the product thumbnail, I can select either a new file or a recent one. This is where, when we're using our lotus blossom, here's our images. We have these done. We know what they are. They're in a file. They're very easy. We can move through them very easily. And let's just grab that picture for right now, which also makes it great when you are working with other people in your business, because you don't have to have 10 emails back and forth. You can just have a checklist and people are just checking everything off. Logo, you can use the title or the image. Primary color, this you can set. So we'll go, let's do a pink. We like that. And we'll make an accent color of green right there. Setting the community homepage, This can either be feed or topics. Start off with feed, and you can always test kitchen. You can always change it up. Not a big deal. Click of a button. Very, very doable. We've clicked save. So now we're going to go back to community testing. So we just click on the name of the product, whatever you have named it. You'll see now we have our testing right here. And this is how you preview. So let's hold down your command key when you want to preview and then click the button, and it will open a new window so you don't lose your spot. I love that little tip that someone gave me years ago. So here we can see very basic product so far. We chose to use the title right here as the logo. Here is the search bar right there. This is the feed. We haven't added topics yet, so as we do, we'll take another preview. And then this is our sidebar. So we will be customizing this. So now let's go, that's where we are so far. All right, so I want you to take your action, which is go into your Kajabi site, create a new product, create community, edit the details just like we've done on this video, and then we will pick up on the next video and we're going to customize the sidebar. Any questions, please leave them in the comments for me. I am here to be your solid shortcut. Have fun, get it done. I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.